Sometimes like all you want to do is run